are back with another segment tonight, guys. Me are telling you we have something for you it big. So the one you call Jamaican sayings and proverbs. And this is a session by the grandparents, you know. We'll label it grandparents session. So tonight we're gonna kick it off. If you know any of the sayings, just comment down below and tell us the meaning to whichever one that we'll be saying tonight. All right, guys. So participate. Send us, as I said, comment. Be sure to like, subscribe, and do whatever you have to do tonight. And Saskia, just take it away right now.
Okay, so the first one is honor every goat have love for cross water. Meaning, not everything works for everyone. Not because someone else got away with it doesn't mean that you can. So don't follow people.
Right. And the one I name your favorite drunken breadfruit to roll out of fire. My God, me say when me hear my great granny tell that one, me nearly turn over. So I asked her, what does that mean? She said, you know, when breadfruit junk. Oh, stop laughing now. When breadfruit junk, it shaped body, bend up and all sort of stuff. And two of my great granny was feisty. You know, see the line that she used for me never do because the girl never shaped too good and me feel bad about it.
Oh God. That's shameful though, son.
I know.
Okay, so my grandma used to always have this saying when she want to say that a person is rich or filthy rich. She said, yes, he have money like goat shit and amprel. Everybody knows that goat, their feces are like little small balls. And when they do defecate, it's like a whole bunch of them. So she's just saying that, okay, that person is filthy rich.
Alright, and this one is called, I know everything good for eat, good for talk. Tap your eyes, you chat too much, not talk everything. Be quiet.
Okay, there's another one. Where they? Lord Jesus. Shit. Cool like puppy nose. Simply means it's cold. I don't know if y'all ever felt a puppy's nose, but a puppy's nose is really cold. So it just means it's cold, very cold, as in the temperature. Sound is you.
Alright, my time again? Okay. So the one I have, it's called Rose Apple Wedding. So I fear granny tell me about this one because really me never know this one. So this term, they consider it licensed wedding. Ask me? That's the only meaning me know.
Rose apple wedding, when you guys get married and you only have 2 witnesses and the officiator and that's it. Nothing extravagant. I don't know where she got it from, but that's what she calls it. Rose apple wedding.
Okay.
Okay, another one. Cow can't hear woe, his neck belongs to the butcher. Simple means that if you don't listen, you will get in trouble. You should always listen.
And this one is kind of the same like the one I should just say. And a lot of people might know this one. Her version is hard years picnic dead as on hot. First me I hear that one. Well, the country where me come from, Jamaica, we know of hard years picnic, near Rockstone. And basically what this means is that if you don't hear, you're going to feel.
Okay, my grandmother always tell me this one, and guys, don't be judgmental, it's just for laughing. And when she first said it to me like a couple years ago, I was in my teenage years or whatever, it never made sense to me until like in my recent time. And it's simple like this. She said her grandmother taught her this gem. Sorry if you poor, them call you whore. I was taken aback when she told me that, but it simply means that if you friend with somebody like in a relationship who cannot help you like progressively, financially, emotionally, physically, spiritually, it makes no sense you talk to them because all they're gonna do is disrespect you and end up calling you a slut or a whore like a typical, what them call them again? Niggas ain't shit, those kind of people, yeah. So talk to people who can help your people.
Alright, so my next one is, when you see a friend a jump on 2 foot, hop on one. It says, do not be follow fashion. Be a leader and not a follower, guys. That is key.
Here's another one. If you see the person on the left, you go on the right. Simple means that if you see the person on the left side, you go on the right side. Avoid a bad situation or a bad person.
Right. So this one is called White Belly Rabbit. This are for people who love gossip. Leave the gossiping alone and just squash everything. Stop with the gossiping. Pray for the people them instead, man. Come on, man. Jeez.
This is another one that every time I hear it, I have to really smirk or laugh to myself. Dog, I drink water, feel. Simple means you should put yourself first, be selfish. You ever see a dog drink water yet? You ever see my lap and I look on you? He's drinking his water and he don't care about you, okay? Put yourself first, guys.
Right. So this one is called Trouble Put You in a Box or Brick. It's a when in trouble or you're in a difficult position that is hard to get out of. That's basically what it means, guys. So it says trouble put you in a box of water. When you're in trouble, you're in a difficult position and it is hard to get out of. That's basically what it means. So like I said, guys, if you guys have a different meaning to most of these stuff that we are sharing online, don't be afraid to comment down below and share with us what your grandparents or great-grandparents, what their meaning to these things were or are. All right?
Here's another one. When trouble take you, pitney short fit you. Simply means that when you're in a sticky situation, whatever you have to do to get out of it, you will. And I know anybody that's been in trouble, you always think on the spot, think on your feet fast to get out of that situation.
All right, that one I say, a lot of people might know that one. They say if you can't catch quack, you catch him short. So let's say you and someone having beef, you and a person that have beef. So if you can't catch that person, you're gonna catch someone that's close to that person and hurt that person. So basically, that is what it means. Revenge, yes.
Here's another one that speaks about self-love and being selfish as well. Pastor christen them pitney fuss. Simply means that anything that you have, you put yourself first. You share something, you put yourself first. Pastor christen them pitney fuss. I think that's self-explanatory. If you guys have another meaning for it, remember you can share down in the comments.
And this one is called, guys, carry the bucket, go well one day to go drop out. Don't take up what you can't handle. Stop it. Stop take up what you can't manage. Know your limits. Know your limits, guys. Don't take up what you can't manage.
And if you don't know, you can't manage things, don't take them up either. You don't know what me I talk about.
We'll reveal the things later, some other time.
Another one is, same dog bite you in the morning, he can bite you in the evening. Girls, females, my sisters, my grandma said this is for women. When you're there with a man and you see him have some dirty ways from the beginning, it's gonna happen throughout. There's another one linking to that is a leopard never changes his spot. No care how him ball and come cry and come tell us if you forgive him. Leave him alone. Anything we're good, we're done good, shut it out and leave him alone. Nobody, no man, no change so easy. Remember me tell you that.
Right. So here's another one, guys. It says, I know every skin teeth a laugh. People are hypocrite, basically.
The next one is the same stick where hit the black snake, it can hit the yellow snake. That means you're no different from anybody. If you keep on living your life in cycles and you're watching the person and say, oh, so son, I do that and whatever. It can happen to you too. You're human. Okay, guys?
And guys, the last one we might have to share with you right now is everything copacetic. Really, guys? I know so the word go, right? It's called copacetic. And it means that everything is in excellent order. But you know, Jamaican people stay, we don't pronounce nothing right. So as our grandmother tell me, this is how she pronounce it. Everything copacetic.
Copacetic. Yeah, she always said that. Everything copacetic.
But really, it is copacetic. Everything is in excellent order. All right, Saxky, give them your last one.
So we have two best one where we want to share. We leave it for last because we save the best for last. Now, one of this famous one is called Confident Yourself.
Just like we are doing tonight. Uncle B, big up yourself. We love that one, do you see?
confident yourself in everything you do. Be confident, be yourself, love yourself first. So Uncle B, thanks for the little lyrics. We are confident ourselves. That's why we dip on the channel and we are do the things them.
Right.
And me bitch. I don't know if y'all been seeing our shirts. Stand son and let them see us. This is the launch of our shirts, and it's, you can see the quote. Let them see it. Son of the block. And this is the thinking man. This is our new best friend. And the quote is, me bitch. I actually got this from my dad, who he got it from his grandma. She dead and gone, but like Grandma Julie, she ever say me bitch.
Yes,
like
yes,
you really talking to me.
Yes.
And me I talk to. Could never me bitch. So guys, if you want more information on how to get our shirts, comment, subscribe, you can email us. We will always reply, don't worry, and I hope you loved our session with the Jamaican saying / proverbs. We'll be having this as often as possible, so maybe you all have a lot that we don't know. So teach us so we can give you credit for it, and we can talk about it, and remember, give us the meaning, guys. Please, we need the meanings. So, remember us, me
Me bitch.
bitch.